Good morning. I hope everybody had a nice night last night and you were able to get out and enjoy the weather. Unfortunately, it's looking like the rest of this week is going to be pretty wet. I am also noticing that I need a little bit of a haircut. My hair is growing really fast. I hope you had a nice night and you're ready to start the day today. This morning, as always, let's do our check-in. Make sure and get that in there. Um, Also, for math, make sure and check your course for daily assignments. And also, targeted math people, make sure and check those targeted math classes and check in with your teachers. Okay. Reading core today. I still have a number of journal responses. Um, Response journals for Katie's trunk from yesterday that were not turned in. Please, 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 I did not give you a big reading piece just so that we could get those all in because these are assessments. Your real-time journal, you should have 9 to 10 posts. If you don't have 9 to 10 posts by now, you should probably look at my journal prompt folder and go back through and, excuse me, make sure that you get some writing done today. Even if it's, 10, 15 minutes and you do one or two, that would be great. Today, I want you to read Chapter 8 of Woods Runner. There is no discussion posts. We will do that tomorrow. If you are somebody who is not caught up on Woods Runner, feel free, blaze through a couple chapters by listening to it through the link in our resource folder. That would be an easy way to just get them done. Wonder Bubbles this week. We're doing a Wonder Bubble called Who Were the Loyalists and the Patriots? The Wonder Bubble folder is in your language arts folder and can be accessed there. If you have questions about this, this is just like what we did last week with the Who is Samuel Adams Wonder Bubble, where we're doing research and finding out information. And this one, our big question is, who are the Loyalists and the Patriots? So for more information, that is also in our language arts folder in our current week. Social studies today, we are going to be starting a mini PBL project called the Road to the Revolution. We will be meeting at 1 o'clock today from 1 o'clock to 1:30. Sorry, my kids just walked in and they need to be really quiet. We will be meeting at 1 o'clock to 1:30 to discuss this project. But before we do begin this project, I would like you, and before our morning meeting or our meeting at 1 o'clock, I would like you to make sure and go through the directions for this project. We're going to be discussing them at 1 o'clock just, to answer questions and find out if everything was clear and what those expectations are for social studies on social studies days. Science. There is no science today. Please finish the work that you did not complete. Again, no new science learning for today. If you didn't finish what you were working on yesterday, which was the Magic School Bus video and a response page, and then also the phenology experiment. The phenology experiment information and instructions can be accessed in your science folder's current week. And we will be doing, I tried yesterday to do a science discussion, but unfortunately WebEx was giving me trouble and my internet went down at about 10 o'clock, which was not very happy, didn't make me very happy. Anyhow, hopefully today goes much better. Office hours again, 10 to 11, I'm available. Outside of that time, you just have to shoot me an email or a Schoology message, and we'll set up another meeting room, and we can meet at any point during the day. That WebEx code is right here. Individual student check-ins. Today I'm going to be meeting with the Orange Group from 11:30 to 12. That's Kaya, Yakin, Martin, Artie, Chase, Summer, and Andrew. I really hope to see everybody there. I really, truly do. We will be discussing any issues that are going on. If there are things that you guys don't understand, this week I'm kind of just asking questions that go along with how things have been organized within each course, because I don't want things to be confusing for you. We will also be talking a little bit about what quality work looks like and what we should be doing when we are completing our daily assignments. I hope that everybody has a nice day. If I don't talk to you today, um, feel free to get in touch with me if you would like to talk. I am here, and I look forward to talking with all of you. Have a nice day.